Hello YouTube, and welcome to your 9th Google Chrome extension development tutorial. And in this tutorial we'll be continuing where we left from in the previous tutorial. So we'll be continuing our extension development of Twitter Social Toolkit, which allows a user to share text, images, content, links, page or anything to his Twitter account. So I have made some modification to manifest.json from previous tutorials. As you can see, I have changed the description and given a suitable title, and I have also given icons 64, 32, 16 and 128 of this icon, the Twitter one icon, so that is easier to recognize our extension. And the next thing we want to do is to create a background script, and I have already created a background script down here in the manifest background scripts, and here you go. Let's create a background script now. Actually, background.js, here we go. Let's give it an alert, so let's see if it's working or not. We have the extension down here, reload. It works. Cool. So now to create a right click menu down here, we'll need to use a Chrome API, chrome.contextmenus.create. Now this API is available only in background environment. So to use this API, we need to declare some permissions first, and the permissions would be, as you expected, context menus. So now we have the permission to modify the context menu, that is this menu. And let's create a context menu. The title should be, let's say, Twitter Social Toolkit, and the title is thing which appears like this, like edit this cookie and go to JavaScript settings are respective titles of their context menus. The next thing we want is the context, and I'll explain what it does. Selection, and the next thing we like to have is on click. This is the JavaScript event listener and my function. So far so good. Let's create a function, my function, and let's show the simple alert. You just click me, fuck. So this selection down here, what it does is it tells Google Chrome that I want this menu item to appear only when user has selected some text or anything on the browser, otherwise don't appear. So let's reload this extension and let's see it in action. So if I right click there, then I don't see any of our Twitter icon, but if I select some text and then right click on this text, then we see Twitter Social Toolkit as our icon, like we have the selection context here because of the selection context. So whenever user select and right clicks on the selected portion, then only the user would be able to see our icon or our context menu. And when we click this, we get an alert. You just click me fuck. So using this, we could create new window or new window basically, and add the text to Twitter window so that it's easier for user to share the content. So that's all for this tutorial, and in the next tutorial we'll be working on the functioning of this extension. So see you there, pals, and thanks for watching the tutorial.